Hello, Professor, and my classmates. I'm Yusuf, and today I'm gonna present my presentation for week 6 and reading assignments. And I will start with the sharing for my screen, and then I'm gonna start it. Yes, today for week 6, I have a different topic for the week 6 reading assignments, which is that the autonomous vehicle as a part of the Industry 4.0. So I will start with what is the autonomous vehicle process from the manufacturing to the selling that. Autonomous vehicle are defined as advanced transportation system that can navigate and operate without direct human intervention by utilizing a combination of technologies such as sensor or some other technologies that artificial intelligence and some machine learning algorithms. They're when they're working together, so they can be enabling them to perceive their surrounding, make decisions, and safely transport passengers or some goods from one location to another location. So as we know on the recently that with autonomous vehicles, the process of the manufacturing is going to be getting different. Yes, and then I will give you some details for the integration of autonomous vehicles in Industry 4.0 because we have to know that what is the target of that autonomous vehicles. So the integration of autonomous vehicles within the framework of Industry 4.0, it's a significant revolutionary shift in operational capabilities, as these vehicles not only enhance automation, but also some kind of promote that seamless connectivity of various process. So there be leading to significant improvements in efficiency and some productivity, and then the overall effectiveness of supply chains across diverse industries. As you see on the right side of the picture set, there are some like direction from the self-driving vehicles platform to the like a control station because um, if you build some like a uh, process for your manufacturing, so you have to as also take care of the control stations. And what we focus for what is the benefits, what are the benefits in logistics? So in the logistics industry, the implementation of autonomous vehicles can lead to remarkable enhancements in operational efficiency. What are these? Because it said as these vehicles are capable of optimizing delivery routes through sophisticated algorithms, which ultimately reduce transportation costs and some kind of the shortness delivery times and some contributors to a high level of the customer satisfaction by ensuring timely and reliable service because they are all of them has to take care of the customer satisfaction. So we have to follow some improvements from the instructors. So as you see on the right, so there are some instructors benefits from the manufacturing, some operations benefits, and then some human resource that. What are these outcomes? So it can be changed for the supply chain integration. It can be affect for the transport assets utilization, and it also can be lead of the lower costs and then some employment opportunities. And what are the benefits in manufacturing? The manufacturing sector can greatly benefit from the integration of autonomous vehicles, as these vehicles facilitate the movement of materials within production facilities. They're together allowing for more streamlined workflows and increases safety by minimizing human error. And additionally, they support just-in-time inventory management practice that align with the principles of Industry 4.0. And Finally, the resulting in the reduced waste and improvement research utilization. What are some other benefits in automation in manufacturing? It's definitely product quality control, and it's also definitely reduce the costs. And for sure, the safety of workers is getting more common, and effective maintenance schedule and efficient inventory management as also. And what are the benefits in transportation? In the transportation sector, the use of autonomous vehicle has the potential to revolutionize public transport system by providing safer, more efficient, and more reliable service, which can lead to reduced traffic congestion and some like lower carbon emission. These are some benefits of transportation. So what are the reason of this transportation? So this contributes to broader sustainability goals that many cities and organizations are striving to achieve in the face of climate change. So what are the other benefits for the transportation management system? It's definitely increased customer satisfaction. This is the first and most important benefits for the transportation management system. And it's also the saves this our time because we know that we are working for a whole day and then we have to save our time and improve warehouse efficiency, increase supply chain efficiency, and some track deliveries in real time. And nowadays, the most of the customer wants to get their orders in real time, and they're also the getting improved for the as also the transportation. And of course, there are some benefits, and then of course there might be some challenge for the system. So let's we focus on the challenge of the deployment. Despite the numerous advantages offered by autonomous vehicles, there are several significant challenges that must be addressed before widespread deployment can occur, including the high initial costs associated with the development and implementation of the necessary technology, and the requirement for robust infrastructure to support these vehicles, and some regulatory hurdles that vary by region, and the need to build public trust and acceptance of autonomous technology. So let's focus for some challenge faced during software deployment. So because as you see, the environment differences is on the first step for our deployment. So there are some kind of a lack of the automation and some lack of the rollback mechanism and some poorly managed downtime. And there are also some ethical consideration as well. Moreover, the deployment of autonomous vehicles raises several ethical considerations that warrant careful examination, such as the question of accountability in situation where accidents occur. And it's also the concern related to the privacy of individuals due to extensive data collection required for these vehicles to operate effectively and the potential impact on employment. It's also particularly for those whose jobs involve driving or operation vehicles. And on the first week, we argue for some fourth industrial revolution, which are Internet of Things, some big data, some cybersecurity, or some like 3D printing that they're also working the same way. And let's we give this some real-world examples. So several organizations have begun to explore and implement autonomous vehicles technology with companies such as Waymo leading to charge in the transportation sector by offering autonomous ride-hailing service. And Amazon also making a significant investment in autonomous delivery vehicles to enhance logistic some operation because as we know that's where all of us seen that some kind of different electrical vehicles for them from the Amazon. So both of them which demonstrate the tangible benefits in improved efficiency that can be achieved through by adaptation of this innovative technology. There are some different level for the autonomous levels of car. As you see on the set, right, it's starting from the level 0 to the level 5. And what might be the future trends? Looking towards to the future, the trajectory of autonomous vehicles within the context of Industry 4.0 appears promising as ongoing advancements in technology. Its increased collaboration between industries and growing investment in research and development are likely to lead to wider adoption, enhanced capabilities, and the emergence of an entirely new applications for autonomous vehicles across the various sectors. What are some reflections? So, in reflection on the potential impact of the widespread use of autonomous vehicles on my field of study or future career, and I recognize that this technological advancement could create numerous opportunities for innovation and growth in areas such as technology development or some data analytics and some kind of the system integration, while also the presenting a challenge that require a thoughtful approach to ethical consideration and the need for a workforce equipped with new skill sets to thrive in increasingly automated environment. In a conclusion, the integration of autonomous vehicle as a vital component of Industry 4.0 holds the potential to fundamentally transform various industry by offering significant benefits in terms of efficiency, safety, and sustainability, while also um, necessitating a careful examination of the associated challenge and some kind of ethical implication to ensure that this technology is implemented responsibly and effectively. And these are my some references, Professor. Thank you so much for listening me.